In this video, what I want to do is we want to clear the cart once the order is placed. So let me stop the application, remove the debugging point. Inside the shopping cart API, we have the cart API controller. If we go to the checkout method here, we are publishing the message, and after publish, we are not doing anything else. If we want, we can just await in our cart repository. We already have a clear cart, which expects only the user ID. So inside the checkout header, we have user ID. If you provide that, it will clear the shopping cart. With that, let me run the project and create a brand new order. We are already logged in. Let's go to our shopping cart here, and let me remove items. Let me add one item each. Okay, so we have total of 5 items. Our order total is 60.97 and discount is $5. Let's proceed and place the order. So perfect, we have populated few details here. Let's place the order. Great. We had the debugging point. Let's hit continue and go to our database. We should have a new header here. The order total is good, discount total is $5, and the payment status is 1. This means that all of the processing and all of the service bus are working as expected, because of which it was able to retrieve all the details, create the order header. We will also have order details for the order ID 3. We have 4 of them right here. And then the payment status was 0. Then it updated that to 1 after the payment was done. So with this, we can see the complete flow of all the microservices that we created.